of dirt, mud and clay, in a hole that is cold, dark and grey, 6 feet deep only to be locked away. As your family gathers outside to pray, they say their goodbyes and cry until they can no longer stay. You hear their footsteps slowly fade, until you come to realize that you are now all alone in your grave. The silence sinks in until you are suddenly faced by 2 angels who sit you up in your place, asking who is your Lord, who is your prophet, and what is your faith? What will you say?
What have you done for this day? When you take your last breath and now you're down in the grave.
For the day a mother abandons her young, a father will flee from his son, and everyone will panic and run as though they are drunk, but they are not drunk. وَلَكِنَّ عَذَابَ اللَّهِ شَدِيدٌ. Rather, the punishment of Allah is severe.